Alright, so we're gonna make one of my favorite homemade cleaners, and it's super simple. And first you're gonna start off with a spray bottle. You can use any spray bottle. Next you're going to get some vinegar. Everything's in Polish. I live in Poland. And then next you are going to need some essential oil of your choosing. I chose vanilla. I don't know if you can see that. And lastly, you're going to need some water, some hot water to be more specific. And I live in Europe, so we usually heat water with a kettle. So first you're gonna start off by measuring out 150 grams of vinegar. And this recipe is really difficult to get wrong, so you can use less or more depending on the volume of your spray bottle. So you can use half water, half vinegar, and it's still all gonna be the same. But can we just appreciate that little keep growing bottle I got at Allegro? It is so cute. So go ahead and pour that in there. And then next you're gonna put in the essential oil. And I used, I believe, a teaspoon or a tablespoon, but you can customize it to the type of bottle that you're using. And it took a while to get out of there, so I'm not going to tell you how many drops I used because it was a lot. So go ahead and put that in there. And screw the cap back on. And then next, let's go ahead and add in our water. So like I said, it's gonna be different depending on the type of spray bottle that you used. So for me personally, I think I put in, what is that? 136 grams of water. So I used 136 grams of water for this mixture. Again, you'll use less or more depending on the type of spray bottle. And then we're done. And then afterwards, you're just gonna go ahead and mix it up a little bit just to incorporate it all in there. It's gonna be really hot, so be careful. And as I was moving it, a little bit got on the table, and that's perfectly fine because we can just spray it down anyways. So let's go ahead and see it in action. And I went ahead and got my little cloth from the washcloth drawer, and shaboom! Works perfectly. Now I will say for this mixture, it's gonna be pretty strong. I didn't expect it to be this strong when I first used it, but it was strong. I would recommend a big bottle of vinegar because it's going to help out a lot. Alrighty, and that's going to be the cleaner.